And that is where the house is gonna be. There's the basement. Over there is where the garage is gonna be. The house has a wraparound porch, and there's a breezeway that's gonna connect the garage to the house right there. So it's gonna be really nice. Elias, are you playing in the mud again? Yeah. You're gonna get your rain boots stuck.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not? Okay. Be careful. Our basement has walls. The concrete's not poured up, but the, oh, goodness. But the, I don't even know what you call them. James, what do you call these wood things? The forms are up. So the forms is what they put up that the concrete then goes against. So it's exciting. We're getting closer. So over there, that's the garage. So that has the footers poured. And then this is the basement. I need to scoot back. There. That's the basement. And I'll take you over to where this side is, and that's where the walkout's gonna be. So it comes down here. There it is. The fireplace. Now you're back. I'm good. What'd you say?
Beautiful.
Looks beautiful? Don't get really muddy.
I'm stuck. I got really muddy.
Are you stuck? This is literally every day of my life.
My shoes are stuck. Mommy, give me.
What are you doing?
No.
I think you do know.
I played in the mud
Yeah.
of my shoes.
Looks like I'll be washing more clothes by hand tonight. So today James is at work and I'm off work. Here's the boys. And we're on the four-wheeler. We're going over to where the house is.
Do you love spaghetti?
Go, Eli, go! I'm off work today and the concrete workers are over there. They're supposed to be pouring the walls. So James and I, or not James, Elias and I and the baby are gonna go spy on the concrete workers and see how everything's going and see if those walls are getting poured. It's supposed to rain like the next 6 days, so they have to be poured today. Otherwise, we're never gonna get a basement and we're never gonna build our house. So anyway, we're gonna go and check it out, take a little 4-wheeler ride around the farm and have a good day. Go back, come here. That was so exciting. The concrete guys are so nice. They let Elias and I come over and look at everything and take videos and take pictures. It's really cool. It takes, to pour our basement, it's 9-foot walls. I think it's 10 inches thick. It takes 4 concrete trucks. And I think they said that the concrete trucks each hold 80,000 pounds of concrete. So it takes 4 for the house basement, just the walls, and then it takes 1 concrete truck for the walls of the garage. Good morning. It's early, it's Friday, we're all off work. So the concrete workers, it's only like 8 a.m., but they've already been here this morning and did some work. So we're heading over there to see what they did. Anyway, I got Levi with me as always. Don't worry, we're going slow. Eli, say hi.
Hi.
And James, of course, is here. So we're gonna go see what they've done. Ready, set, go.
Daddy's too fat to run. He marks my dreams.
Not the mud, buddy. No mud today. Thank you. Hey, Eli, what you doing? You running around?
Here.
So it's looking good. They painted the concrete all the way around the basement walls of the house, and then they used the skid steer to put all the gravel that's in the bottom of the basement. So now James can put the rough-in plumbing in this weekend for the bathroom that's eventually going to go in the basement. That's what this hole is in the wall you see here. That's where the ejector pump's going to be, because the basement bathroom is going to be lower than where the septic system is, so it obviously can't go out by gravity. So we have to have an ejector pump to pump the poop out. After James puts the rough-in plumbing in this weekend, we will be able to have the actual basement floor poured. So the bad news is that it's supposed to rain again. It doesn't rain today and tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, but then it's supposed to rain Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, which is horrible because they can't get the concrete trucks back here if it's wet, because we're back pretty far from the road and we don't want to get a concrete truck stuck. Anyway, so last night we had to turn the heat on in the camper because it was that cold. It's supposed to be summertime, it's supposed to be hot, but we've been putting the heat on in the camper because it's cold at night. It's been getting down in the lower 50s.
Well, let's go back and get us some coffee and some breakfast, and I guess let's grab the trailer and bring it down here and we'll put in our rough and plumbing.
Good. How long do you think it'll take us to do rough and plumbing?
Probably me, a couple hours.
Couple hours.
It'll probably take me a day.
A day, okay. So we're gonna do the rough and plumbing today, and I'll kind of take pictures and maybe a few videos along the way just to kind of show people how it's done and what to do. I'm the world's worst videographer and photographer. I always cut people's heads off and the sun's always shining in the way, so it'll probably be really bad footage, but I'm working on getting better at this. But anyway, I'll kind of walk you through the process of how, I almost said we, but it's definitely not me. I'll walk you through the process on how James does the rough and plumbing, so.